Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Happy Labor Day. As some of you guys may know, today the market is obviously closed. So if you've been waiting for that, then unfortunately, you have to wait till tomorrow. Um, as of right now, Bitcoin is touching that $52,000 range, which is fantastic. I still think that it has a pretty good shot at some time at hitting like maybe 55K sometime later this week if all things align up. If all things align. I am bullish on Bitcoin right now until we actually close a bear week. But as of right now, it already broke that 50. I think it was 897 resistance. So I do think there's a solid chance that it keeps running towards $52,000, which is my short term price target right now. But the bigger position that I'm looking at is this position right here of Bitfarms, which I actually purchased, I think, last Thursday or Friday before it actually popped a little bit to the upside. I do think it's actually going to be touching closer to $7, maybe $8 on Tuesdays or tomorrow at open. If Bitcoin stays at these 51, 52K levels, obviously Bitcoin is overextended compared to Bitfarms. Bitfarms is trading roughly at, I would say, the equivalent of Bitcoin at like maybe $47,000, $48,000. So I do think that Bitfarms is going to be rallying Tuesday in the morning, and it's definitely going to pop to the upside. Also, keep in mind that once trading resumes in the original stock market, the liquidity for crypto might start dying down a little bit longer. So if you see kind of a lull during the week for crypto, that's completely okay. That's usually what happens. You have basically the weekend is trading the main liquidity goes for crypto during the weekend, and of course the stock market takes up like 95% of liquidity of like overall money and stuff, right? But yeah, currently right now I am at 4,600 shares. My position is a little bit under $30,000 total right now. If Bitfarms opens somewhere around the 630, 640-ish level, I really doubt that it opens around here. I will be buying another, maybe like possibly like another $5,000 of Bitfarms, because I do think it's going to be rallying to maybe $7, $8 sometime this week. As long as Bitcoin at market open tomorrow stays in the range between 51 and like 52K or so. But yeah, just a quick update on this position. I am hoping to. I don't think I'm gonna get out just yet. I think if it does hit $8 sometime this week, I will be taking some profit. I'll be taking a small portion of the position. If not, I'll probably just sell calls, maybe like a $10 or like a little bit higher call for like another week or two out, I think. But I do think premium is gonna skyrocket. If anything, I will be. Let me see what the calls are. September 17th. Yeah, these calls are definitely going to shoot up in premium. If anything, I might sell the 12 and a half call. If anything, I might sell the $12.50 calls for September 17th, because if it does double, this premium is going to go up. So right now, if I try to sell 46, I'd pick up $368. I doubt that it's gonna stay at 8 cents. I think it's gonna go up by a lot. And this would expire in another week or so. But if I actually do get my shares called away, I'm basically doubling my position. So I'd be making like 30 grand or so on profit, right? But again, just a quick update on Bitfarms. I do think as long as Bitcoin stays at 51, 52K by Tuesday market open tomorrow, I do think there's a really strong chance that Bitfarm surpasses $7 and keeps possibly running to $8. So the previous high was around $7. It was $7.47. I do think it has a really strong chance of possibly going even higher than that. And again, Bitfarms wasn't trading back in March, or back in like February, March, when Bitcoin and everything else peaked at its highs. So I think that we can definitely see Bitfarms doing something crazy, like running to like $18 or something. I definitely think that's a possibility, because it's definitely undervalued as far as market cap. It's only about $1 billion. I actually think it's worth at least 3 times that. I definitely think that the valuation should be closer to maybe like a Riot or something like a what is the other ticker? Mara, I think. So I'm pretty sure those companies are valued at like 5 billion or 3 to 5 billion, I think. And I definitely think Bitfarm should have somewhere of a near valuation like those instead of being worth 5 times less, which they are not. So more than likely, I might even just hold this until we see peak highs on Bitcoin again, maybe at like another like 65K for Bitcoin. I think that Bitfarms definitely has a really strong chance of going from here to like $18 in the next, by the end of the year, maybe. Or at least hitting a similar market cap, market valuation as Riot or Mara. I don't know if it'll have the same market cap as MSTR as I know that one's a much bigger company. I think it's MicroStrategy. But yeah, I definitely think it's gonna keep running. I definitely think it's still really early, even though it's already done like a full 100%. But even then, companies like Riot or Mara have done 100 and something X, right? And this one has barely done 100% ever since it IPO'd at like $4 or so. So even then, I think it's very undervalued. I'll see you guys later. Bye.